Hi there, students. A sleight. Sleight of hand. Okay, a sleight is a very skillful movement, very dexterous. So if you see a magician doing card tricks, he uses sleight of hand. He does something and the card disappears and you don't see what he's done. And this is the idea of a sleight. Speed and skill of the hands when performing tricks. So most conjuring tricks depend on sleight of hand. Okay, a very skillful movement. And then you can use this metaphorically to mean to be very skillful at hiding the truth, to get some sort of advantage. So using statistics or massaging statistics to say what you want them to say is sleight of hand, is skillful manipulation of the statistics. Government figures will always show what the government want them to show by sleight of hand or by sleight. Okay, so sleight it's a noun, it's a countable noun, saying dexterity, skill, legerdemain, yeah, light-handedness. Don't confuse this with slight, S-L-I-G-H-T, slight, a little bit. So there was a slight improvement, different spelling. He insulted me with various slights, S-L-I-G-H-T, insults or acts of disrespect. No, a sleight is a skillful maneuver, a skillful trick, a skillful deception, being very deft at doing something. So a sleight, a lot of cunning, a very artful practice. Okay, so sleight is the way to trick somebody about something, or stratagem. So you see when people are doing the 3-card trick, find the lady, find the lady. This is a question of sleight of hand. I guess a very skillful poet uses sleights to give multiple meanings to his poetry. Or yes, a good speaker uses linguistic sleight, linguistic dexterity, linguistic skill. Okay, notice the pronunciation sleight. It's not clearly not related to the spelling. Okay, so deftness, quickness, the quickness of the hand deceives the eye. That's a sleight. Yeah, a deception, a dodge, a trick, a gimmick, some sort of maneuver, a ploy, a ruse, a stratagem. Yeah, some sort of shenanigans that you don't see. Okay, so yeah, the accountant used a sleight to make the money disappear as if it had never been there. By a sleight of accounting, the company appeared to have lost money. Okay, so a sleight. Sleight of hand, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could say skill with the hands, or a skillful maneuver, a trick. Yeah, dexterity, something like that. Sleight of hand. Would I use it in an informal conversation? Maybe just. I think sounds better in a semi-formal conversation, or semi-formal writing, or even something very formal. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from an old Norse word, slogo, meaning cunning, which comes from Proto-Germanic slogis, meaning cunning, which is also the word sly. Yeah? Okay, so when speaking English, you need to use all sorts of sleights to be able to speak clearly and get people to understand what you mean. So a sleight of hand, what a magician does, how a magician does card tricks. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sleight of hand.